Captain Curt with his new boat. Hey, Captain Curt.
Hey, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
Very good, very good.
Like your new boat?
Like it a lot. You like it?
Yeah, it's nice. You'll have to turn it around so we can see.
Yeah, definitely. What do you think of the name?
I like the name. That's not your name though, is it?
No, I think I'm going to have to change it.
Yeah?
Yeah. We're going to haul it out in a month and change the name and clean it up.
Nice.
Yeah.
How many more traps can you haul with this boat than with your old one?
Quite a few more.
Yeah?
A lot more. I can fit a lot more on, so I can move them around and stay on top of the lobsters.
Nice, nice.
Which is good.
Good. Well, when you're done, you'll have to turn it around so we can see the front.
Yeah, definitely. I'll spin it around right now.
Okay.
Where'd you get those? I think it might be like a...
Okay, here he comes.
That's good.